Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fine and safe. Today in our channel I am going to make my favorite pancake. Come on, let's go. Okay friends, these are the things which we need. Baking soda, powdered sugar, salt, butter, milk, maida. Okay, now let's start mixing it. Now let's put maida in this bowl. And now let's add pinch of baking soda, then first we can add 1 spoon of sugar, then pinch of salt, then we can add butter. Okay, now let's mix it. For mixing, instead of water, we are adding milk. In this stage, we should add all the sugar. Now we should also add butter. Okay, now let's start mixing. Okay, the mix is ready. Rest it for 10 minutes. Okay friends, now let's heat the pan. We should heat the pan with butter. Come out. Successfully came out. Okay, now the butter is melted. Let's add the mix. Let's add the butter at the top also. Yahoo, yahoo. Came successfully. Okay, now let's turn it. The pancake is ready. Okay friends, this is our pancake. Come on now, let's taste it. It's really very good. Me, if you like my